Uban nga celebrate og Halloween, pero wala nila nasabtan, wala nila namalayan na it is a demonic celebration.
Pastora, you are correct in a wrong way. First, you're correct because many of the Catholics ignorant about the truth. Fortunately, Pastora, you are wrong because the Catholic Church do not promote this kind of teaching Halloween in erroneous practices. Indeed, we are taught not only to dress like a saint, but to follow their life as an example as victorious martyrs. Thus, Halloween is a short term of Hallows Eve, a night before the solemnity of the All Saints' Day. Now the truth is being revealed. Remember this, Pastora. We don't need teacher like you because you are just like a blind leading another blind to go astray. This is Adendura, a former pastora, but now a proud 17 years Catholic. God bless us all.